see how to make a very basic server in Express. So for that you must be knowing a Node.js and should have a Node.js installed in your system. I will provide this link in the description, so kindly download it from here. And you should have a IDE installed. I will use VS Code for that. If you don't have any IDE, you can install it from here. Now very quickly I will explain you what a server is. So server is nothing, you can understand it like a black box where the user sends any request and the server gives a response. So how to do that in the Express? So please open VS Code in a fresh directory. You can see so here we will run a few commands. You can open PowerShell or terminal. So you can write node to verify if the node is actually installed in your system. If you get any error, please check the installation process and install it correctly. So if you are comfortable with CLI, you can use git bash instead of this CMD or PowerShell. So first we will make a directory server. So you can do this in the GUI itself. You can see a server folder is made. Now inside that server, let's make a file called index.js. So you can see a new file is created. Now here we will write our code for the server. So let's start the coding part. So here we can write our route. You can just write a raw text like hello world. And then just finally app.listen. Here you have to write the port number. So I will be running this on port 5000. So you can also write 5000 or any other port. Now for now we will just try to run this 6 lines of code. So yeah, save it and go to our terminal. Now we have to install our npm packages. So write npm init -y. So you can see a package.json is made. Now you have to install this Express. We are using this Express, so you have to install it using npm. Now you can see here in dependencies Express is present. So now we can just try to run it. Server index.js. Sorry, you have to go inside the server directory. Now you can run this. So there is no message coming, but the server has started. You can go to the browser and write localhost or 127.0.0.1 and 5000. So you can see hello world here, which is coming from here. So if you write like a HTML tag, then it also work. Now it will come in bold text. It's not coming because I have not restarted the server, so please restart it. So restarting the server. So now if you reload it, you can see hello world is in bolds. So here was our basic server. If you want any different route, you can just write here login, or any other route you want. Now restart the server, and you can see here login. You see hello world here. Now instead of this send, you can also use JSON and return here in JSON format. Restart the server, and as you can see here, we have a JSON format. You can also additionally like set the status of this request. Like here the status is successful, so we can return 200. So it will tell us that the request is properly fulfilled. Also we can write a callback function here. So like here we can use a fat arrow function and log the status, like the server has started. So now if you restart the server, you will get a message. See, the server has started. The server has of course started. So this is the basic server we have set up. In the next video we will see about controller.